We're talking about a respiratory illness targeting infants and toddlers and how it's causing a backlog in pediatric wards across the state.
Yeah, it's not COVID, but RSV. It is circulating and surging, and now metro hospitals are feeling the brunt of this. News 9's Brittany Toulis shows us how the state is now addressing the problem.
In the last few weeks, the number of kids admitted with RSV has doubled, and at times there weren't enough pediatric beds to go around. A terrifying situation State Rep Mickey Dollins has been through before with his then 2-week-old daughter. For parents, an infant or toddler with the sniffles isn't much to sneeze at.
Late October could be just, a common cold.
But for State Rep Mickey Dollins in 2018, his newborn daughter Elvie had something just as common, but not as well known.
My daughter was hit hard and fast by RSV, and 3 days before, I had never even heard of it. It was incredibly scary as a parent to see your infant daughter being carted away by an ambulance, labored breathing, almost like lifeless.
RSV, or respiratory syncytial virus, is just that, a respiratory virus, and is spread through droplets. Kids under 2 are most at risk for catching the illness and show some common signs.
Runny nose, stopped up, fever, cough, symptoms that have been around for 4 to 5 days that don't seem to be getting better, or symptoms are getting worse.
RSV usually isn't much of an issue for hospitals till November.
I'll paint you a picture of what today looks like. So we have about 275 children's beds. We have had several points over the past couple of weeks at which every single bed had a patient.
A lot of those patients are being transferred into metro hospitals. Officials say the beds aren't filling with only RSV patients, but the surge is straining statewide hospitals. To help relieve some of that stress, the State Department of Health took away some red tape.
Their license says they have 20 pediatric beds and 80 adult beds. They could shift to more of maybe a 70-30, a 60-40.
Brittany Toulis, Oklahoma's own, News 9.